Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on segmenting sounds in words and writing the letters of the sounds that we hear. So if we look at this first picture here, we see the picture of a bed. If we segment that word, we hear b-e-d. And if we write the sounds of that word, we hear it would be B for b, E for e, and D for d. Looking at this next one, we have bug. Segmented b-a-g. Now write the letters of the sounds you hear. B for b, U for and G for g. Let's look at some more. This next picture is a bun. B-un. I'm going to write the letters of the sounds b, b, u, n, in. And we have written the word bun. Now this next one at the bottom here of a can will be easy for us because we know the an word family. So when we segment this, k, I hear a C at the beginning and the an word family. Now I'm going to show you a few more, and you're going to have time to segment and write the letters on your whiteboard. Cat, k-at. Write the letters of the sounds you hear. Did you write C-A-T for cat? All right, let's look at this next one. Say the name of the picture. Segment the sounds you hear, and then write the letters of the sounds you hear. Okay, let's check it. Cup. K, C, A, U, P, P, cup. Let's do another one. Take a look. Dog. D-og. Write the letters of the sounds you hear. Let's check it. D-og. Are those the three letters that you wrote? And one more. Let's look at this fish. Stretch it out. Write the letters of the sounds that you hear. Let's check it. F is an F. I is an I. And don't forget that sh is the digraph S-H. Awesome job, boys and girls.